Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac, the trader, back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. Okay, that was our day trading positions from yesterday. Okay, now we're gonna go over our day trading positions from today as it relates to the EU markets. All right, this is gonna be another raw, uncut, unedited type of video. I've been working all day. I'm about to hit the gym right now. Literally, got my gym clothes with me, gym shoes with me and whatnot. We're about to hit the gym in just a bit, but I wanted to knock out this video for you guys, and then tonight I have a meeting with my team and everything as it relates to tomorrow's agenda. We have a lot to do for you guys, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and knock out this video. Why not? So if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. Not only am I going to be teaching you guys and showing you guys how I trade the foreign exchange markets and the index markets, all right, but I'm also going to be showing you guys a little bit more of my lifestyle, a little bit more into my life, what I do on a day-to-day basis. I don't know when that type of content is going to be implemented, all right, but first I just want to make sure that everyone on the YouTube channel and everyone in the community understands how I am currently trading, because there's a lot of content on my YouTube channel, old styles that I used to trade, and yes, all of those things play a part into, you know, my current strategy. This strategy is definitely different, okay? And I mean, as you guys will continue to see, will produce you results, all right? So we're gonna go over two positions that were taken within the market, within the EU market. 4.44 return, all right, triple fours. Not much, all right, went on this morning, okay? Of course, I did drop this inside of the free Discord community. If you are not a part of the Discord community, go ahead, click the link in the description, okay, or head over to Mac Trading Academy and join in on the free chart breakdown Discord community, all right? Click join now. It's literally free, all right? And essentially, this is going to give you a rundown every single day. So if I don't make a YouTube video, you know, on a day or something like that, you will still be able to know what positions I took, okay, and the reasons behind it, all right? And you can ask me questions, right? So if you don't understand something, you can say, Mac, why did you do this there, okay? Or why weren't you looking for that? Or why did you do that, right? So yeah, come chat with me, you know, during New York session, and it should be a good time. All right, so one thing about EU, okay, and GU I've noticed as well, but especially EU, usually you're going to get a position right out the gate. Not every single day, okay, but usually very, very close to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay, you're going to get a possible entry. Sometimes it's before 8 a.m., and then most of the time it's a little bit after, okay? If it's before 8 a.m., I'm not in the trade, I'm not taking the position. However, I will still consider the analysis, okay? So if I see like a sell position or a sell entry model form, okay, and it's before 8 a.m., but the entry itself price tags into the entry area at or after 8 a.m., then I will take the trade. So first position of the morning, entry took place around 8:26 a.m., okay, but the entire formation started forming right out the gate, okay? We had this run of liquidity up here, all right, price tapped into this area here. We had a rejection, okay, which shows us what? If we have a reaction to a point of interest, that shows us what? That our selection was accurate, okay? Keep that in mind. Anytime you have an interaction where price runs into your POI and then rejects it, okay, or runs into your POI and then plays around a little bit, and that's not even a POI, that's just a confluence, but I'm just using the word POI so you guys know exactly, you know, kind of what I'm talking about, until we really get into the terminology that I use now. But accurate selection, price bounces off of that area, and then we trade through it, okay? We're looking for price to come back into that area and respect, okay? Price does that, and then we trade to the downside, okay? My target was 2.5 standard deviations of that range that was originally manipulated. The reason why, okay? If you want to know the reason why, join in on the free Discord community, okay? That is where you will get as close to all the information as possible, where at least you'll be able to go out into the markets and do your thing, okay? Now, if you want mentorship and things like that from myself and my team, all right, then we can make that happen. But the Discord is free. Join in on the Discord. And just like let's just chop it up as traders, right? Ask me about my experiences, like whatever questions you have, because I'm not going to be doing necessarily like a lot of one-on-one sessions. All right, we're gonna like transition and start to focus more on masterclass and group sessions. So we'll do like a masterclass every quarter. Everyone in the Discord community, you guys will be able to join in. It'll be a good time. We'll trade live together, things like that. But I won't be trading live every day, and I won't be doing one-on-one sessions every day. Where my investments are right now and where I have my hands, I do not have that type of time, right? But my team and I still actively trade every single morning. I don't really trade the PM session as much, all right, but I still catch, anyways, back, right? So price comes back into our entry, all right, that's exactly what we wanted. So second position of the day, of the morning, all right? Now, before we get into the second position, let's see how long we were in the first position. So we were in the first position for 15 minutes. All right, yesterday we were in our positions for 14 minutes, and I want to say like 17 minutes, right? So as you guys can see, we're not in these trades a long time, all right? We're not in these trades for, an hour, 2 hours, expecting 2 hour. No, right? Give me 15 minutes. That's all I need. All right, now this trade was a little longer. All right, 38 minutes. Let's start to get into this trade. All right, so as we can see, something very, very similar. Price pushes to the downside here. All right, then we push back to the upside, breaking through this region here. All right, what does price do? Price trades back into this area. All right, we took our entry. We reject 50% of this region here. Do I really care about rejecting 50% of that region? Not necessarily. My 50% rejection models does come into play, but it will come into play in a different strategy. All right, and yes, I will be teaching that strategy to you guys, but right now we're just going to focus on you all being able to day trade the Forex markets every single day on the 1 minute time frame and allowing it to make sense. And if it makes sense on the 1 minute time frame, I promise you, you're going to see this so many times on the M1 time frame, and you're going to take so many trades and you're going to be successful with those trades that when you start applying this to the higher time frame, you're going to go bananas. Like it's going to click, and it is what it is, right? And that is where you guys will see, you won't be, looking at the positions all the time, all right, because they will be considered swing trades, but that is where you guys are going to see a lot of growth within your equity for sure. All right, I got my nails done today, and I don't know, she kind of nicked me here. It's been irritating me. Anyways, let's get back to the charts. So price tagged us in here. All right, we risked about, and as you guys can see, we're not risking a lot of pips, right? No worries, okay? I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. All right, I'm going to simplify it for you. It's just simple and straightforward. All right. So 2.2% returned on this trade here. 2.02% return on this trade here. All right. Now I will be breaking down. I did not trade. All right. London session. Okay. Last night, but I will be, or yesterday, this morning. But I will be breaking down the entries for London session, all right, for you guys, and I will be sending it into the Discord like this here, like right out the gate, London open. You would have caught this entire move to the downside, easy. Entry here, so all of this. Let's see real quick. What do we have? You would have taken a buy position here and rode this to the upside. Beautiful. You maybe would have taken a -1R here. All right, depending on how aggressive you are with the strategy. I'm conservative with it, but I will teach you all how to be aggressive with the strategy. So you may have taken -1R if you are aggressive with the strategy here. And then, let's see, anything else? It doesn't look like it. I mean, we wouldn't have been trading after 5 a.m. anyway. So you had a banger of a trade here, okay? Banger of a trade back to the upside here, entry here, all right? And then maybe you take a -1R, right? So we'll do all the calculations and things like that in the Discord. All right, so join the free Discord and I'll drop all the calculations and I'll break all of this down to you guys. But I just wanted to come on YouTube and, you know, break down the actual trades that I did take. Now, if we go to the M15, all right, guys, so now we're going to switch things up. All right, we're going to switch to the higher time frame of EU, or a slightly higher time frame. All right, for those of you that day trade, and I'm going to show you guys where we're expecting price to expand towards. All right, so if you guys are in the Discord, go to the EU section and you'll see, shout out to my man Electron, I believe that is his name. So shout out to my man Electron. He is in the Discord. He dropped this dope analysis earlier today. All right. Listen, guys, this is what the community is all about. This is not just about my trading style. All right. I want you all, okay, to come into the community and show us your analysis. Okay. We're here to help each other grow. Okay. I've been in the market for almost 6 years now. I have a lot of experience under my belt and I'm a profitable trader. Not only can I provide something for you, but your perspective may be slightly different from mine. This is a community of traders that I want you guys to be a part of and take advantage of. So shout out to my man Electron. You guys can pause the video real quick and study this analysis right here. All right, but shout out to him. Okay, and now we're going to get into the higher time frame, or slightly higher time frame of EU, and I'm going to kind of explain to you guys what you may want to look for and what you can possibly anticipate. All right, so as we can see here, all right, if you were trading my strategy based on the higher time frame, your entry would have been in this area right here more than likely. All right, so it looks like you would have been risking around 16 pips. Not bad. All right. Oh, excuse me, guys. All right, so we're at least looking for price to expand into this region right here, 1.07933. Now, you may be thinking, Mac, by the time you upload this video, what can I do with that information? What you can do with that information is you can go back into the charts. You can see if price did indeed target that area, 1.07933. And then that will give you some type of insight as to the type of results you will be able to produce using this strategy, right? Because I'm going to teach you exactly how to do what I just did, right? So just feel free, go back, all right? Go through the video, see if it hit. Now, we all know we have losers. There are always going to be trades that lose. And this may be one of them. And if it is, it really doesn't faze me because you guys are going to see a lot of winners on the YouTube channel and within the Discord. But yeah, we'll just allow this to be a study example. All right, so this is the analysis here. I also sent this to the EU community earlier, right? Because if you are an M15 trader, which we do have a lot of traders that do like to trade the M15 time frame, and there is nothing wrong with that. It is a beautiful time frame to trade. I just like the M1 time frame because I like to be in and out, and I don't have a lot of time on my hands like I used to when I could be in front of the charts for half the day, right? Definitely require my focus, my businesses, and things like that. So those of you guys who do trade the M15 time frame, all right, this is going to be a similar trade to what you're going to be taking, what you're going to be trading, right? Did we have an entry during? Wow, we even had an entry, an M15 entry for this sell here. So if I'm looking at things accurately, if I'm looking at these levels accurately, you could have taken one sell position here within this region, or you could have taken a sell position here within this bullish candle here, or within this bullish or bearish bullish variation here. And guys, look, this is 7.5 pips of risk on an M15 time frame. Do you hit 5R? You do hit 5R, right? So it's very simple, very straightforward. I'll put all of this in the Discord community. I'll put the M15, I'll put the M1 for the day traders and things like that. And also, if you're a swing trader, please join the community. If you're an intraday trader, please join the community. I do not focus on swing trading and intraday trading, so I would love your insight. Those of you guys who study the higher time frames, I would love your insight. I would love to talk within the Discord community. So join in. All right. So with that being said, much love. You guys may see the Discord community channels slightly change and things like that. I am new to Discord personally. This is my first time ever like dealing with Discord. I am a Telegram person and a WhatsApp person. But most of you guys, we took a poll. We said most of you all said that you prefer Discord over Telegram because of the like community aspect and how you guys can communicate with each other and with me and things like that. So we figured this would be the best platform to host the community instead of Telegram, where you guys are a part of a channel, but it's only me and the other mentors talking and things like that. You guys may not hear from the other mentors all too much unless it's like the masterclass, or unless it's like on Zoom or something like that, like a live trading session, things like that. Then you'll hear from them. Because most of the time during New York session, and you may hear from them after trading hours, but like their full-time job is to trade, is to trade capital. So because of that, during New York session, like they're active in the markets. All right. So, however, I'm there. I'll be there with you guys. We'll be chopping it up. We'll be talking things like that. But I'm looking forward to the Discord community growing. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. This video has been very long for no reason at all. I think I'm procrastinating from hitting the gym. I'm going to finish my little pre-workout drink. Today I got a Red Bull. Not the healthiest thing in the world. I also have BCAAs, creatine in here. So, but I don't have any pre-workout on me, so I had to get Juneberry Red Bull. It's my first time trying it. It's okay. It's not the best. Not the worst. It's disgusting. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys like the new style of things, right? Like I kind of want to show you all a little bit more of my personality and a little bit more of like who I am as a trader, but also like who I am as a person, who I am as a businessman, because most people just know me as a trader, but there's so much more that I do. Trading just opened the door for me to do those things a little bit earlier. All right. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love, peace out, and happy trading.